Hello, I'm Jonathan T, and I'm going to be talking about engineering opportunities. So, to give an introduction, I'm a biomedical engineering student that recently transferred from UCI from Irvine Valley College. To give a quick rundown, I'll be introducing the concept of engineering opportunities and some ways I was able to get mine. In the end, I'll be wrapping things up with the conclusion. So let's get started with the introduction. So first is to define engineering opportunities. To me, these are simply chances for you to practice, learn, continue, or do any sort of engineering. These can include opportunities such as research, internships, skill development, or just a project that involves engineering. I'll be talking about where you can find them as a community college student and share some of my personal experiences in finding them. So the first way to find more engineering opportunities is to go to the engineering clubs at your school. I'd say this is the easiest way to find engineering opportunities, and it has quite a few benefits as well. You'll be able to work on more interesting projects, hear about even more engineering opportunities, and you'll be able to make friends with the same interests as you. While I was at IVC, I joined the Applied Science and Engineering Club, and we did things bi-weekly. So we did projects such as building model rockets, soldering, doing the egg drop test, and they also notified people of things like job opportunities or tours that we're doing. So for me, I did a tour at a medical device company called Applied Medical, and that was just a lot of fun overall. I'm sure you'll be able to find even more opportunities or different things at other clubs at your school. Next is the school faculty. So I think it's important to talk to your school faculty or your professors. They definitely have a lot more to offer than just lecturing you. So talk to them about your interest in engineering. They'll be able to point out some internships, scholarships, courses that might interest you, or maybe even some other things that I'm not aware of. For me, I got to take a bunch of CAD courses, computer aided design courses. I got an internship, and I heard about scholarships that helped me afford college. So here's some of some of the things that I worked on while I was in community college, and these are from two different courses. The top one is a Solidworks course where I got to recreate anything that I wanted as a part of a big project. So I recreated my fishing reel, I took it apart, I learned how all the gears worked and all the other mechanics. The other one is a wall climbing robot or RC car that I designed that can drive up vertical walls thanks to a propeller. So talking to faculty can make you aware of courses that not only interest you, but teach you valuable skills. Like, for example, the Solidworks, I was able to get certified through the CSWA exam. And now I could put that on my resume. But it was a lot of fun. I learned skills that really interested me, and I got some professional benefit out of it too. Another benefit to talking to professors or the faculty, like I mentioned, is that you hear more about opportunities. So they can recommend you to opportunities if you ask. One professor recommended me an internship in Minnesota that I managed to be a part of. I worked on determining the kinetics of thermal injury to nerves, so how much heat affects damaged nerves, so that we could use it for treatments in reducing high blood pressure in the future. The website that I applied through is listed here, the ETAP. It's part of the NSF program, and if you'd like, you could go check it out. Next is just to wrap things up in the conclusion. So I think it's important that you give things a chance. I know a lot of these things are not something that you would naturally or like most people would normally come across if you're just going to school for taking the classes. But every opportunity that you do take will likely lead you to even more opportunities. So like me taking these computer-aided design courses got me in touch with a professor that recommended me the internship, or things like the Applied Science Club. They taking tours and stuff like that might lead you to network even more with other people. So please just give things a chance, and I'm sure you'll be able to find more engineering opportunities than I found myself. Thank you for listening to the presentation, and good luck out there.